How to know iPhone battery boosted or not. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. With all the advancements in iOS and iPhone technology, it's more important than ever to keep track of your battery's performance. So let's get started. First, open your settings app and then search for camera. Tap on it and then you'll see use volume up for burst. Toggle it on and then you'll have to open your camera app. This will help us with the battery check. Here's the fun part. Press and hold the volume key for about 2 minutes and keep eye on the battery percentage during this time. And if your battery percentage is decreasing too much, congratulations, that means your battery has been boosted. Well, now let's check. My phone was at 25%. Now it's at 20%, so my battery decreased to 5% less. Well, that's it. A simple way to check your iPhone battery status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.